Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Hog Diaries. This is my balcony view from the beautiful Thredbo village. It's 7:30 a.m. in the morning and it's snowing. It started snowing from last night and heavy snow is forecasted all day long today. Today is also our checkout day, so we are going to the car park area right now. This is the place where we stayed. It's the hillside apartment, so there were no car parking area. We left our car at the overnight car parking area. So we decided to walk instead of taking the shuttle bus and do this video. In this video, I try to capture as much as I can the real and raw sound of snow falling. Also, I will show you the village from my apartment to car park area. So no more talking, let's start walking and enjoy the snow and sound of snow falling. So we have arrived and I don't know which one is my car. Yeah, this one. Fully covered with snow. So make sure you have your snow chain on and drive slow. Peace. Bye. This is the Alpine Way. We made a stop here because it snowed heavily. I captured the drive as well. It's already on my channel. Make sure to watch the video. The link is in the description and here is a sneak peek for you. If you like this video, do give a thumbs up and stay connected.